Here's Pioneer Lad. Kentucky Colonel in the red. Morse Code goes in. Alsatian in the black. Dreams of Valor red cap. Royal Albert Hall goes in. Here's Comma's Sister. Malibu Music, they're going in quickly. Any questions goes forward and in. And now the grey Avalanche to the outside gate. Avalanche goes in. All set. And away they go. Pioneer Lad begins well along the inside, but now here comes Dreams of Valor in the red cap, and Dreams of Valor takes over and goes on with it. Racing up on the outside as Kentucky Colonel goes up to race a joint second. In behind that, Incredible Luck in the red cap. Morse Code is racing back behind them. Fritz Johansson in the pink is 8 lengths off the leaders. Then we drop back to Alsatian, condemned to drop towards the rear. Royal Albert Hall, Any Questions is alongside of that. Malibu Music second last, and the favourite Avalanche is last. Avalanche last, a good 15 off the lead. They move on to the backstretch, and Dreams of Valor's ensured a good pace, leads it by just under 2. Comma's Sister now races in the second spot, and then it's Kentucky Colonel. Pioneer Lad down at the railway, slowing the pace up front now. Incredible Luck in the red cap gets much closer, then back to Morse Code. Fritz Johansson at the back of the leading group. Then we come back to Royal Albert Hall, Alsatian in the black colours. Any Questions racing back third last. Then Malibu Music, and Avalanche is still last. Avalanche now 9 off the lead. Into the turn they go. Dreams of Valor is now taken on by Comma's Sister. Comma's Sister, Dreams of Valor, the two that go on with it now. Down at the rail, Pioneer Lad needs to find some room to run. Morse Code is alongside of that, and Avalanche, the grey. Avalanche is coming full of run now. He's got to pick his way through the field, but he's coming fast. They come for home now on the outside. It's Morse Code. Avalanche coming to take him on the outside. Morse Code is going on for home. Alsatian with a late run, but Morse Code done enough, and Morse Code has won it. Avalanche was second. Alsatian finished third. Close for fourth, Comma's Sister, and Any Questions. The unofficial result: winner number 3, Morse Code. Second, number 12, Avalanche. Third, number 9, Alsatian. Fourth, number 6, Any Questions. Fifth, number 5, Comma's Sister. Result is official. Just a reminder, Del Mar has a massive pick 5 carryover. I repeat that, an early pick 5, not the pick 6, early pick 5 tomorrow. Carryover of more than $787,000. That's going to be enormous tomorrow. Early pick 5, carryover of more than $787,000. Now entering the compass winner's circle, number 3, Morse Code. Morse Code will give jockey Tyler Gaffalione his very first Del Mar win. Morse Code's a 5-year-old brown horse by Tappert out of Serena's Cat. He's owned by D.A. May Racing, Premier Racing and Wilkie. Winning trainer is Richard Boltus, whose assistant is Felipe Rivera. Gives the Richard Boltus barn their second win today. Again, the winning rider, Tyler Gaffalione. Morse Code was bred in Kentucky by Del Ridge Farm, Hillendale Equine Holdings.